Ta-da! Ahem. Ta-da!
We're not eating that.
Huh?
No, that's the very last thing we have, Ashley. I think we should hold on to it a little longer. Quit your complaining. You're energetic enough to go rummaging through our trash, so clearly you're not dying yet.
Huh? How did you know I was in the...
Because I hid it there, away from you.
I live in a den of snakes.
Don't rile me up, you're making me hungry.
Do you know what will help with that, Andrew, my dear?
No, put the tomatoes away somewhere.
Put them in my mouth. I will.
I can see that your heart is set on this. Fine, let's eat them then. Screw our future selves.
That was horrible. I know.